everybody. Well, I have to say that we have been spoiled the last few days. We had some record highs of 60 degrees in March, which was fantastic. However, as you can tell by all the snow, you okay?
Yeah.
All right, we'll wipe it off in a second. As you can tell, we got some snow this afternoon. I'd say we probably got close to 3.5, 4 inches in the yard right now, but Brandon and I are gonna go out and do chores.
That's my dad.
Is that your dad?
Yeah.
Jim will be out shortly to come help us. And yeah, we'll take you along. So yeah, like I said before, there was virtually no snow left. As you can tell, there's quite a bit of it now. Raina, what do you think of all this snow?
No, it's so windy.
It's so windy?
No, not windy.
Are we gonna feed the cows?
Yeah.
Good deal. What is that?
It's a fly. Howling.
Is he outside?
Yeah.
What do you think of that? Fly outside in March.
Daddy's home.
He is home, isn't he?
He's playing the bell.
Yeah.
The bell don't be happy. The bell don't be happy.
I was hoping that spring was coming early, but it definitely looks like it's still winter time. So a couple nights ago I decided to tear apart our calving bucket. It's basically a bucket that houses all of our items that we need for calving, such as Tager, probiotics, Energel, did I say our bander, our Tager, all of our tags. I'll show you how we do our calving books. Basically, I print off a sheet off of Excel that has all of our cows on there and their estimated calving dates. We ultrasounded all of our cows, so we have a pretty good estimate as to when those cows are due. We do have about 30 cows that we purchased this fall, so we have a generic March, April calving date, so we'll just have to keep a closer eye on them. Just went through, washed out the bucket really good, cleaned the organizer on the side, and yeah, we're pretty much ready to go for calving. With the exception, we still need to put up a couple stalls in our calving shed. You'll see my previous videos that we cleaned that out a couple weeks ago just to get that ready. We did get some really nice weather and all the frost came out, so it's kind of a mud hole out here now, but anyways, yeah. Are we gonna make it up the hill, honey?
I hope so.
So you can take this one up to the left here. Oh yeah, not a problem. Girls are coming up.
I'm gonna go on this side.
Sure.
Hello, cows.
We got a full tractor load.
Yeah. They're calling us.
You taking a nap back there?
Yeah.
Yeah? You fit pretty good back there, don't you? You got your own pillow? Well, chores are done. Giving Raina a ride back up to the house. I hope you all have a wonderful night, and we'll see you next time.